have arrived. Oh man, guys. So I haven't been vlogging for a bit. So right now I'm in Animal Kingdom, and I literally rode Expedition Everest right now. This is my like third or fourth time actually riding it. Oh boy, let me tell you, it was something else. It's the part that gets me is that going up is okay. I mean, I can close my eyes easily. What's hard is going backwards. It takes a little strain on my body, but I braved the storm, as they would say, and right now I'm thinking about what to eat because I am hungry. I didn't eat because I was mainly preparing for Expedition Everest, so now I'm gonna go find some food and let's see what else I'm gonna do today. I mean, I got Pandora Fast Passes at 4, so I got plenty of time to keep. There it is, friends, the Tree of Life from the backside. From back here you can totally see more of the animal sculptures that are sculpted into the tree. It's hard to really tell here, but you can see that there is an owl, scorpions, iguanas, all sorts of animals up there. I think there's even an elephant on the bottom right there. According to my phone, everyththing's about a 50-minute wait and up. So, yeah, I thought vacation season was over. So, everything's 30, 40, 75, 65. Everest. When it loads up, Dino Land was like 60 with one of the rides 5. Even Primeval World is 50 minutes. But everything right now is mostly the shows in Kali River Rapids. But everything is already unavailable. That's kind of insane to me. So I already did Everest and I already did Dinosaur today. I'm about to do Flight of Passage later. It's insane. It must be busier than I thought it would be. So I'm probably just going to do the musical at 2. So guys, but not a whole lot to do today besides my Fast Pass for Flight of Passage. I decided to go watch one of my favorite shows here, the Festival of the Lion King. Here last time, this show was really spectacular. A very different way of showing the Lion King, so I'm very excited again to see it. Right now, we just finished Lion King, which was still one of my favorite shows in this entire park. Anywhere on this resort, actually. Now, because we still have some more time to kill, we're gonna go watch the Finding Nemo show. A wild Kevin has appeared. little vest. The zip-up vest. I would buy it, but it's $59.99, so I'll pass. I have some time to kill before my fast pass, but we have made it into Pandora. Well, last time I was here, I was still amazed, and I am still amazed just by how beautiful this part of the park is. Just look at that rock work, guys. They put a lot of work into this place. You just can't believe that they were able to make this. And the little like area in the back, it's so colorful, and it has all these nice little more plants up there. The waterfall is just beautiful. That whole like art, that mountain looking like area on the top is just so amazing. Almost looks like skeletons. I love this part of
I guess some introductions are in order. Around these parts, everyone calls me Hot Rod. That's right, you heard that correctly. Hot Rod. In fact, everyone say, "Hey, Hot Rod!"
Hey, Hot Rod.
What's up, everybody? Around here, I'm the master.
Does not look like a transformer at all. So guys, I probably won't be able to video Pandora because I've seen the videos and it's kind of tough to film on that ride. I mean, I could probably leave this thing on while I ride it, but I don't know if I'm going to get by that quick. I know I haven't vlogged a lot of rides today. So if I don't do this, I'll at least show you Pandora at night, and I'll show you Kilimanjaro at most.
They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the ikran and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. Okay, to get you flying on a banshee, we need to find each of you.
Restraints activated.
And you'll feel slight push and pulls. I check your restraints. Please make sure you're leaning all the way forward. All right, is everyone on this side ready?
Yep.
Great, enjoy your flight. 916, slide your hips all the way forward. Chest touching the front chest pad. Your restraints are coming up.
Restraints activated.
And you'll feel slight push and pull. I check your restraints. Please make sure you're leaning all the way forward.
Checked it over. It's not great, but there is some footage that I might include in my video, might not. Just depends on me. So now, with a couple time left, I'm gonna go head over to see if I can ride Kilimanjaro, and then maybe come back here to see the bioluminescence stuff. And then that might be it for today.
Go right in front of us crossing the road and see it a little better because of my headlights. They're very tentative animals. They always want to make sure they're not getting in anybody's way. So they're very tentative when they cross the road. You can see their horns are twisted.
Since Kilimanjaro Safari was kind of a dead, some of the animals weren't really there, but the thing about that ride or the experience is that you really can't tell what time of day is the best time of day to ride it. You just kind of have to ride it and hope that you see something. You know, it's kind of like the zoo. Kind of. Not really, but almost. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back to Pandora to see what it's like at night, and then we're going to head to a shop or two to get some little gifts, and then we're going to head back to the hotel. It's all like lit up. Like, look at my, oh, you can't really see. Let me flip it around. Like, look at my body. It's lit up. Most of it, at least.